Hello and welcome back to another lesson from Korean Studio. My name is Kim Gi-hwan. Today we're going to learn about the suffix 스럽다. 스럽다. Now, 스럽다 is a suffix we add to nouns to form adjectives. And we use these adjectives to describe something as having the quality of that noun. So let's take a look at some example words that use 스럽다. First, we have 사랑스럽다. 사랑스럽다. And this combines 사랑, meaning love, and the suffix 스럽다. And if you've got a new puppy and the way the puppy snuggles up to you is adorable and lovable, you can say 너무 사랑스럽다. It's so adorable. It's so lovable. 너무 사랑스럽다. Quite often we can change adjectives that use 스럽다 into adverbs by adding 게. So if your puppy smiles in a lovable way, you can say 강아지가 너무 사랑스럽게 웃어요. 강아지가 너무 사랑스럽게 웃어요. So the adverb 사랑스럽게 modifies the verb 웃다, meaning to smile. Next, we have 당황스럽다. 당황스럽다. And this combines 당황, meaning to panic, embarrassed or to be flustered, and the suffix 스럽다. And if you walk into work on Monday morning and someone makes a joke about your new hairstyle, you might feel a little embarrassed. So to describe this situation to others, you can say 너무 당황스러웠어요. It was so embarrassing. 너무 당황스러웠어요. So we can use these adjectives to describe a situation or experience as being embarrassing. And remember that adjectives ending in 스럽다 are 비읍 irregular forms. So their past forms change to 스러웠어요. Another common word we have is 촌스럽다. 촌스럽다. And this combines 촌 meaning countryside and 스럽다. And we use 촌스럽다 to describe something as being old-fashioned, a style that is out of fashion. So if your teacher dresses in an old-fashioned way, we can say 선생님이 너무 촌스러워요. The teacher is so old-fashioned. 선생님이 너무 촌스러워요. Okay, so let's take a look at one more word together. And the final word for this lesson is 자연스럽다. 자연스럽다. This combines 자연, meaning natural, with 스럽다. And if your friend tries a completely new hairstyle but feels awkward about it and asks if the hairstyle looks fine, then we can say this to comfort our friend. 엄청 자연스러워. It's very natural. 엄청 자연스러워. So we can use 자연스럽다 to describe how the hairstyle is not awkward and that it looks natural on our friend. Now, one important point to note is that we can't just add 스럽다 to any noun. And there are certain nouns that we can add 스럽다 to form adjectives. And it's not important for you to learn all the nouns that we can add 스럽다 to. But as you continue to learn Korean and you come across these words that have 스럽다, remember that these words are adjectives and we use them to describe someone or something having the quality of the noun that is attached to 스럽다. Okay, so that's it for this lesson on how the suffix 스럽다 is used. See you soon again. Bye-bye.